Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please give me a thumbs up, leave your comments, please subscribe to my channel, and please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, Nancy Pelosi has fought tooth and nail to get funding for the post office. We know they got $10 billion just sitting there at the post office, but she's fighting for more. In the skinny, I think it was a skinny bill, they agreed to give the post office $10 billion more. That's $20 billion. You know what I got in the mail today? How they're spending this money? In my mailbox out front, I got a real nice card, heavy stock. It was a big, all the graphics on it. Reminded me to sign up for mail-in voting. It went straight to the garbage. Then I went to my P.O. box. I had another one in my P.O. box. It went straight to the garbage. Now, if everybody in America got one of these, some people got two, I got two. How much did that cost? Is that using their money wisely? But yet, they need more money from us. And most of those cards that they send out go straight to the garbage. So it's just like pulling a $100 bill out of your wallet, tearing it up, throwing it in the garbage. It's exactly the same thing. And Nancy Pelosi is fighting tooth and nail to get them more money. I'm really beginning to smell something here. I hope I'm wrong. Y'all, please give me a thumb up. Leave your comments below. Let me know if you got these cards. I got two of them. My wife didn't get one because, of course, she's not a registered voter. She's not a United States citizen yet. But y'all let me know if you got one and what did you do with it when you got it. I threw both of mine straight in the garbage. So that's money just thrown away. I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Give me your thumbs up and leave your comments. And also check out my books and my other website. Please subscribe to that other website. It would help me greatly. I love you all. Ciao.